How to download personal data in Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select Control Center. So this is the place where you can find different options and settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you can find a section called Data Management. Simply tap on it and here you can easily request to download all the personal data. Tap on Request Data. Now you must verify your email and you'll get all the data in your email. Later you can check it out and you can even get all the resources that are available from your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.